Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. Now today's video I'm doing a first impression on a hair mask. So the product I have here is by The Main Choice and it's an ancient Egyptian anti-breakage and repair antidote hair mask. So I'm excited to film this first impression just because this is something that you guys recommended and I love listening to you guys. So in my last first impression video, which was a Pacifica hair mask, you guys should definitely watch that. It's up here somewhere. But in that video I asked you guys what were some of your favorite hair masks, and a lot of you guys told me this one specifically, so that's why I got it. Yeah. So this is how my hair looked before I went into the shower. Yes, I know I look a little bit crazy, but my hair has been up this whole week. The weather has been crazy, so yeah, this is how my hair looks. So I really hope this hair mask makes my hair look good. I hope it works. So I got this product at Target and it retails for $19.99. So, you know, around $20 with tax and everything. Okay, so it has no mineral oil, no petroleum, no paraben, no sulfate, no formaldehyde. It says intensely rejuvenates, conditions, and hydrates. It deeply penetrates well into all layers of the hair shaft. It prevents and repair cuticle damage, restore hair condition, and deliver shine. It makes hair feel soft and reduce frizz. It's loaded with fatty acids and omega-3, 6, and 9. Helps to replenish hair and fight against split ends. I don't know how good you guys are going to be able to read this because it really reflects a lot, but I'm telling the truth and you guys can always look at the website to see what it claims. But the packaging looks really cool and this product smells good. Usually when I do first impressions or any other hair product reviews, I don't like to open the product up beforehand. I don't like to, you know, I don't want to smell it. I don't want to see the texture of it. But this, when I was in Target, I wanted to see if this had a film. It doesn't bring one. And when I opened it up, I was like, whoa, this stuff smells good. So it smells good. It has like a fruity scent. It smells sweet. It smells like fruits to me. Fruity scent, duh. But it smells like apples, pears. Like, I don't know. It just smells so good. So fruity. It's like a pale yellow. I wouldn't really say bright yellow. More pale. So I'm just going to apply this all throughout my hair because my hair is getting a little bit dry. But yeah, I hope this product is good. I hope this hair mask really delivers. Basically, my hair mask, I look to see if it's going to make my hair feel soft, if it's going to feel, you know, hydrated, and it has a lot of good claims. Claims that I'm not going to be able to see as a first impression, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's just start. So let's get this. Okay, so it's not too thick and it's not watery, so it's right in between, which I like. This product has a lot of claims. It's a miracle worker. So this is pretty much all I'm going to apply to my hair right now. I'm going to let it sit in my hair for about 20 minutes and then I'm going to come back when it's air dried and styled to give you guys my first impression. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So now that my hair is completely air dried and styled, I could give you guys my first impression of this hair mask right here. So I left this product in my hair for about 20 minutes and after I rinsed it out, my hair felt so soft. It was easy to detangle. It was just, had some nice softness to it, so I'm a big fan of that. Another thing I noticed is that my hair didn't feel dry. Like, it felt nice and moisturized. So that's always a good thing with hair masks because that's the whole point of a hair mask, if it's going to benefit your hair, and this left it very soft and moisturized. Another thing I do like with this product is the way that it smells. I mentioned it so many times throughout this video, but listen y'all, this smells so good. Go to Target, go to Sally's and smell it because it smells good, for real, man. It smells really good. With this product, it makes a lot of claims that I'm not able to see as a first impression, such as it's going to reduce breakage, it's going to penetrate my hair shaft, which I can't let you guys know if it did that because I can't see it. These are things that you're going to have to keep using it on a longer period of time to notice these benefits. But what I look for in a hair mask is, of course, if it smells good, you know, if it leaves my hair feeling soft, if I'm able to like tangle it and it has some good slip, if it leaves my hair feeling nice and moisturized, and of course the ingredients. I feel like with this product it did have all of those, so that's why I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at this hair mask and I'm really happy I tried this out because you guys like it and you guys got some good products, so I'm happy that I did try it out. So these are pretty much my first impression of this hair mask right here. Now I want to know what you guys think about it. Do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? If you do like it, let me know what are some of the long-term benefits that you've noticed. Is there anything different from the claims that it made that you noticed? Leave that down below so we all can know. If there's any other first impression hair mask that you guys would like to see me review next, leave that down below because as you guys can see, I like reading your guys' opinions and I like trying the products that you guys want to see me review next. So leave it down below. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.